What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you the easiest, cheapest way to protect your harvest from birds, squirrels, deer, insect pests, and more, and it only takes about 5 minutes. My southern highbush blueberry bushes are exploding with blueberries. They are starting to ripen like crazy. And while we don't have a big insect pest problem just yet, we have squirrels and mockingbirds and all kinds of animals that are going to start stealing my harvest and pecking at them. So I need to protect them, especially from the birds. Now, before I go into protection mode, I'm actually going to start harvesting all of these because I don't want any of them to go to waste. So I'm going to pick the big blue ripe ones first. Most of them aren't ready yet. You know a blueberry is ripe when it just falls off by touching them. You don't have to give them a tug at all. If you have to pull, they aren't quite ready. So it's still really early in the season, but something is better than nothing. And the way we're going to protect our blueberries is with this. Garden netting or insect netting. This is going to drape over them and it's going to create a physical barrier that birds, that squirrels, that insects, and other annoying pests can't get to, and we're going to weigh it down with bricks. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to drag it out, and then I'm going to completely cover my blueberries with it. And because I bought such a large one, I'm simply going to cut it to length, and I'm going to leave a few feet on each side to overhang. That way, as the blueberry plants grow, I'll have a bigger netting than I need for future years. These blueberry bushes have grown so much since last year, I actually couldn't cut the insect netting in half because it wasn't tall enough. I had to wrap it around twice. That's why you always want to buy insect netting that is larger than what you think you need, because you may have to wrap it around twice like this. Last year I had a tail blow off and mockingbirds found their way in and they got underneath and started pecking the fruit. So always make sure that you have everything secured completely. And this will be really easy for me to get underneath again to harvest. All I'll have to do is remove these 3 bricks that are right here, and that will lift right up and I can access the berries inside, but the birds and the squirrels cannot. So these berries are going to be pest free. We want to protect as many plants as possible with this method, such as these strawberries. They are starting to ripen and we need to do everything we can to protect these beautiful berries from the critters. Same thing with these blackberries. They are going absolutely bananas and they are starting to ripen really fast. We need to protect this crop as best as possible. We waited all year for this. Oh yeah. Unbelievable. The great thing about insect netting is it doesn't significantly block or reduce sun. So if your plants need to grow out in full sun, you can use insect netting and it won't slow your plants down. They'll still be able to get all of that solar energy. However, if your plants could benefit from a little bit of shade, you can also get black insect netting that functions like a 30% shade cloth as well. These plants in here are my brassicas left over from my cool season garden, and they are actually starting to suffer heat stress. So I'm actually going to switch out this white insect netting with this black insect netting that will provide a little bit of shade. I'll place direct links down in the video description to both white and black insect netting for your convenience. Remember, you wait all year for these harvests. Protect them and don't share. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.